Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this butterfly cutout from Dollar Tree. I take a 15mm half round bead, hold it to the top center of the butterfly, and draw some curved lines. I then go over those lines with English Navy acrylic paint, just using a small paintbrush. And then I fill in the top portion with that same English Navy paint, just using a craft sponge. I do give that a couple coats and dry it completely. I then go underneath that with barn red acrylic paint, making a stripe on either side. I do make it a little bit too small at first, and then I go back over and make the stripes a little bit larger and fill those in. The video sped up quite a bit, but I did just go nice and slow and take my time trying to get those lines as even as possible or as straight as possible, and then fill in the rest of it with Plaster chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. Once that's dry, I make a couple more lines to make one more of the red stripes, just using pencil and then going over it with the barn red paint again. Once I have that all filled in and it's nice and dry, I paint the back and sides with the barn red. And then I'm taking 4 half-round wood beads, 2 different sizes, 15 and 12mm, and I place them on and I just make a dot of paint of what color I need to paint them. One is the English Navy, 2 barn red, 1 plaster. I paint those fully and set them aside, and then take this acrylic nail paintbrush that has a ball on the end of it, dip it in the plaster chalk paint, and make dots on the blue portion. I then place the wooden beads back down, get them lined up how I want them, and then apply tacky glue to the backs. And then I thought I needed a few more of the dots to fill in that blue area, so I just added some more. And then I'm taking this paper covered wire that I got from Amazon, wrapping it around a paintbrush handle a few times, pull that off the paintbrush, cut an extra piece, and do that again on the other side. So I have a portion of it in the center of the two that I will take and twist together, and then I'll use that area to hot glue it to the back of the butterfly. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.